So guys, let's go in the Baguio Pipito forecast. This is the Baguio Pipito guys. This, this Baguio Pipito is super typhoon. Is going to Bicol region and Cebu City. The Baguio Pipito is so closer in the Philippines. The super typhoon. That's the super typhoon guys. The super typhoon. The super task weather art radar. And this is the weather you want. This the guys. This is the winter is Pipito. Signal number 1 po sa Quezon City and signal number 2 po sa Davao City and signal number 1 po sa Bicol Region and signal number 4 po sa Troong sa 29. This is the Troong sa now. This is the Bagyong Pipito guys. The broadcast. This is the winter at the Papalitan Banyamasin. That's signal number 1. It's not going to this. Is not that is okay. This Philippine is going to Baguio. And this thunderstorm is so hard. And Bangkok, that is not okay. The winter is so now the winter. Malapit na ang bagyo po sa bansa ta. Please po undercover po kamo sa simbahan po dito sa Bicol Region. Ano, ang malapit ka sa dagat, evacuate na kamo po. And ayos mong gamit po sa inyo ng hat. That is now. Goodbye. Goodbye.